What's up, guys? This is Josh from ActiveTours.com, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of the Barker Dam Trail. This 1.1 mile hike in Joshua Tree National Park is the most popular hike in the park, for really good reasons. Seriously, if you had 1 hour to spend in Joshua Tree, this trail would be it. It has almost everything you're looking for in a Joshua Tree trip. It's got a beautiful trail system, wonderful trees and cactus, giant boulders to climb on almost everywhere on the trail. And of course, the highlight of this trail, the Barker Dam. Now, if you're lucky enough to come in the winter or the spring, there's probably going to be water in that reservoir, which attracts a lot of birds and other animals. If you're enjoying this video, consider hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you're into photography, this is a great place to do some reflective photography when the waters are still, so it's best to go in the morning. Also, Joshua Tree is a world-class climbing destination, and the climbs around this trail are no different. Some quick things to keep in mind: this is the desert. The temperatures fluctuate dramatically. In the winter, it was 20 degrees here when I came here. It's freezing cold. There was water frozen on the road. In the summer, it's over 100, blistering hot. Maybe you want to bring an umbrella for shade. Also, sometimes the parking gets tricky. It's also the start of the Wall Street Mill Trail. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this tour of the Barker Dam Trail. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Also, comment below. Let me know what your favorite hike is in Joshua Tree. In the world, too. Thanks.